Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the best books for UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2. As you all know that paper 1 is a general paper for which the book is very much similar for every subject, and paper 2 is optional, and for each different subject you have to refer different books. Now let's come to paper 1. So I recommend what I did in my preparation. So I have referred to two primarily books and one virtual ebook for my preparation. So paper one book is very much common. You must be knowing that it is KVS Madan from Pearson publication. It has some previous year questions plus MCQs and some topic illustrations. So if you go by this, you will understand the basics of every unit. As you have seen the syllabus of NTA UGC NET from the website, the syllabus contains 10 units, and this 10 units are very much covered in this KVS Madan Pearson publications. You can refer to it, but I recommend you to study from Harpreet Kaur book as well if you have completed that KVS Madan, because in Harpreet Kaur I have found out that the topic are explained differently and it will give you another dimensions of your study. So primary book you have to refer is KVS Madan, and after completion of that book you can refer to Harpreet Kaur for additional practice and your understanding. Moreover, you have to go by some websites also for some ebook and understanding of different units. For example, unit 9 and 10, which is very much, I mean, tricky, you will not find anywhere, and the questions are very different from those units. So you should refer some other websites and ebooks as well, which I did at the time of my preparation, and it really worked out. And some of the points, like some of the topics are very easy, like logical reasoning and that IT part, so computer and ICT. So these are like can be covered from those own books only. So primarily what I will recommend these two book is, well, to be prepared for UGC NET preparations. Now let's come to paper 2. So for paper 2, the book is very much common, and you must be knowing that one book from Arihant publication is very popular and you should refer. It contains all the previous year questions plus the MCQ mock MCQs plus the topic explanations. All 10 units covered in this. This is the basic book and you must refer more times, like 3 to 4 times, in order to get a whole understanding of the topics as well as the previous year questions, because the questions do come in the examination repeated, so you must be familiar with the questions. So this book is number one recommended. You should read it. If you're not learning from any other book, this book is mandatory. Apart from this, if you have completed this book, now you can switch to, or in addition to, you can move towards Stephen P. Robbins organizational behavior for all the topics like personality, attitude, perception, etc. So these topics will be easily covered from organization behavior and rest from the Arihant book. And if you find yourself difficult to understand the labor laws, because in Arihant book you will find the labor laws are very specific and very summarized. So for those labor legislation like payment of wages, payment of bonus, minimum wages, Industrial Relation Act, so for this you can refer to government website, that is, I'll mention the website name here, so you can refer to those. So only with this book which I have told in this video is sufficient for you to clear your examination. The only thing is complete revision. That was it. All the best for your examination preparation. Thanks for watching.